On our second day here in the beautiful island of Jeju or Jeju-do, we're still learning a lot about this charming island. And I'm just saying charming in character, not in size, because apparently Jeju-do is 3 times bigger than Seoul. But there are also 3 things that are abundant here. First, the women. Second, the wind. And third, the rocks. A lot of these rocks come from volcanoes. And it's a good thing that the rocks defend against the wind. And so behind me, you see rock fences. So Jeju people, they pile up rocks to form fences. And these are actually strong fences because no matter how strong the hurricane comes, it still remains standing. This rock wall is also a distinctive rock in Jeju Island. The beauty is in the lack of brick walls. Instead of the standardized size and form of the brick, each rock in the Jeju fence is of a different size, shape, and color. Experts say that the reason these rock fences are able to withstand the strongest of typhoons without so much as a tremor is that each different-sized rock diffuses shock in several directions. For many patriotic Koreans, this also symbolizes the solidarity of the Korean people, that no matter their differences, they stand up to obstacles as one nation, and through their unity, they are able to withstand anything. And so if you find yourself going around Jeju Island, chances are you're going to see a lot of this. And in fact, when you talk to Koreans and you tell them Jeju Island, one of the things that comes to their mind is this. And this is called?
Harubang.
What is a harubang?
Well, it's a stone carving that protects the village from bad spirits.
And so it's usually in front of a village so that when people pass, they get protected, right?
Yes.
And why is it stone carvings? I see and I hear that in Seoul, they actually have stuff like this also, but then in wood.
Well, there's a lot of stone in Jeju, and other places there's not that much. So it's better if they have in stone carving.
And stone carvings in Jeju, can anyone just carve harubangs out of stone?
No, there's usually a master for this, and there's only one master left in Jeju.
One master left in the whole of Jeju. So these are actually sacred.
Yes, it is.
And I know that it has a lot of uses, also a lot of meanings. Let's first talk about the meanings. Right hand on top of the left and left hand on top of the right.
Well, the right hand means it's a scholar. The left hand, it means it's a general.
Oh, so if I were to get a harubang or like a souvenir harubang, you have to get both, right? So you get the balance.
Yes, yes.
And also, if I want a son or if I want more sons, what do I do?
Well, you can simply rub the nose of the harubang.
Oh, okay. So like this, rubbing the nose like this to get more sun.
Yes, yes.
And anything else that you want to add about the harubang?
Well, if you want more sons, there's always another way. You can grind the nose of harubang and then pour it in the water and drink it.
And actually, you know what? This is doubly sacred and actually very historical because I hear that this is the second oldest harubang in the whole of Jeju Island. There are 3 main theories as to the origin of harubangs. Either that they were introduced by visitors from the sea, that they are a counterpart to the changsangs or totem poles of mainland Korea, or that they spread with shamanic mushroom culture. Halasan has been named in Chinese literature as one of the Sam-Shin-san, or one of the 3 spirit mountains. Each of these mountains is considered gateways to the spirit world and have the Amanita muscaria growing in abundance. This mushroom is well known by the Siberians and is a possible origin for the stone grandfather or the Hareubangs. This theory lends that powerful shamans descending from the north established a magic mushroom cult on the island in which stone grandfathers were set at the sides of thresholds to prevent the entry of unwanted spirits. Hareubangs produced from 1763 to 1765 once stood outside the eastern, western, and southern gates of the Jeju city fortress as guardian deities.